What's up? This Scoop. This the Scoop. Now let's talk about this shit. What the fuck is going on with the Game and Meek Mills? Somebody tell me what the fuck is going on. I seen Game calling Meek Mills a snitch and all this shit that's been going on. I just want to know how y'all feel about this shit. Do y'all feel like Meek Mills is a real snitch? I was trying to figure out what was going on with the situation. They say that Meek Mills snitched on Game about some shit with Sean Kingston Chain. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Somebody let me know how y'all feel about this shit. Do y'all think Meek Mills is a snitch if he let them know any kind of information? And how y'all feel about this meme war that's going on? Do y'all think the Game is going to win this? Do y'all think Meek Mills is going to win this? And you see Meek Mills talking about the Game was on a TV show back in the day. How the fuck is you a gangster and you on TV shows and butterfly tattoos, and you see Game leaving rat emojis underneath his pictures? How y'all feel about this shit? Do y'all think Meek Mills or Game will win this one? You see Game posting pictures of Meek Mills back in the day with his hair and calling him, talking about shout out to boss bitches, wife and niggas, and saying he been wanted to give Nicki Minaj that pool stick or whatever. We all think this gonna go? Who you think gonna win this one? Tell me, would you fucking with Game on this, or you fucking with Meek? Who right, who wrong? Just let me know. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. This Scoop, this the Scoop.